ELA 7, your story. Hello, writers. Welcome back. If you like to hear directions, please watch the video. Thank you for watching. How are you? Take 3 breaths. In with the good, out with the bad. Where are you on the compass? I think I am acting again. Ignite for a review of quarter 1. Remember our city girl Squeaky from Raymond's Run chunk into pieces. Squeaky was a bit burdened by the problem of taking care of Raymond and then learned that his happiness was very important to her and that she was willing to help him. How are you like Squeaky? I am like Squeaky in that I. How are you not like Squeaky? I am not like Squeaky in that I. Chew on it, review. What stories from about your life does this chart remind you of? Sentence starter. I am like Squeaky because. I am not like Squeaky because. One of the problems I have faced is. Most stories have a problem, so it's good practice to identify a problem. There should be 5 or more sentences. Rubric. 4 points, 5 plus sentences in a problem. 3, 4 sentences in a problem. 2, 2 sentences in a problem. 1, 1 sentence, no problem. 0, no attempt. This is optional to read. The Common Core goal. Write routinely over extended time frames. Time for research, reflection, and revision. And shorter time frames, a single sitting or a day or two. For a range of discipline-specific task purposes and audiences. Thank you.